Good morning, my friends, and welcome to the third drawing lesson from home to fight Corona, but also to learn something new. And today we will explore the roots of shading, what we call in Italian chiaroscuro, that allows us to draw the shadows in a drawing. And so, but we will not reach that point. We will work on lines, and particularly today we will work on oblique lines. So let's start with the pencils. Grab a pencil, the one you like, sharp. The important thing is that it's up to 2B, so like 2B, 3B, 4B, 9B, it's fine because they're very soft, so they're very helpful. And here I have a 6B, a 4B, and a 4B that is a bit bigger. I will use this because it's more visible from the video. And let's start drawing at the top left corner of your paper a square, because I need a line at 45 degrees, an oblique line. And how do I get a 45 degrees? So I draw a square and then I connect the bottom left to the top right. Sorry, it's morning for everybody today, and in isolation is not easy. Okay, so I'm sure that this is 45 degrees. And what I have to do now is, on the same line, I repeat the gesture, trying to keep the lines at the same distance and at the same inclination. And I go on drawing a big line made of lines at my own rhythm and at my own speed and at my own pressure. It's not important. While you're doing it, pay attention to the movement of your hand and of your wrist and arm, because somehow at a certain point the movement will become automatic, and that's the key. So you have to discover the best movement you can do when you create all these lines, and you have to make it yours. So now it will be a new experience, but then it will become pretty comfortable and pretty automatic, so spontaneous, I would say. You can proceed with smaller lines, so you can go a bit faster with micro movements. So the thing is that you have to move your arm like having like a rope that is connected to your elbow, so you can slide on the paper, and at the same time there is this movement like this. So like tuck, 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 and I move every time like 3-4 millimeters to create this kind of effect. If I'm not sure about the rhythm, if I don't feel comfortable, I can use a metronome. This is a classic old school metronome, but there are many apps on your phone you can download, and they have also a nice sound compared to this one, because this one is a bit annoying, I would say, but yeah, in this case helpful. So you have it. You need to follow the rhythm, and you can try at the beginning, like I'm drawing a line every 2 noise. Sorry, I'm drawing a line every 2 clicks. And now I try to double the speed. And you can notice that I never release the pencil like this, okay? So I'm not doing this, but I'm keeping the pencil on the paper, okay, in a very solid way. This is another thing, and we will explore it very soon, but from now on I need to work on straight line that have a start and an ending point. So, and I can decide how long they are, so how much effort I have to put in every line and how many movements I have to do, because I can also do very long lines, but of course the movement will be different. And if I want to do them at the same speed, I need to be faster in coming back. So let's put the metronome. So it's the same rhythm, the same speed of rhythm, but the different speed of drawing. Let's try with the smallest one. So you see, when I draw the small ones, I draw a package of lines and then I move my hand. So it's like tuck, 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 and then I move it. Because I'm using my fingers. And at a certain point I feel, my body is not more comfortable because the space is not enough to do a good movement. So I move the hand and I recreate the same distance as the beginning, and then I go on. Again, whoop. So can you feel the sound of my hand moving on the paper? So that's the thing, it's all about rhythm. And what can I say? Now let's try with this, and then we will explore the crossing lines. That means that we will start to do this and this to create different shades of dark, okay? So this is the traditional academic chiaroscuro, but before we need to train our muscles and our body to work on this, okay? Have fun. Bye.